What's going on, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video, another explore. This is something completely different. I've known about this a good 10 years or so, never actually done it. Check it out. It's an old fire training thing for the airplanes, which are pretty damn cool. So obviously boiler on the back, I'm guessing that's where they were heating it all up. Interesting to know they've connected it up to something. Look at that. That's insane. Let's take on a little walk around. Obviously you could get up on it if you wanted to. I'm respectful. I'm one of those that likes to come somewhere, leave it, and it's like I've never actually been here. Cockpit area up there as well. That's brilliant. What are we saying about this though? I'm speechless. I'm not even going to talk too much about it because I don't actually know the correct terms, but to me it looks like a safety training thing. It looks like you can spin it a full 360 degrees by the platform that it's on. This is cool, man. Love to get the drone up, but it's too close to an airport, so I wouldn't even risk it. That's back around. That's a short video. It's not even 2 minutes. There's no point dragging it out. It is what it is. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Give you a scale of height as well. I'm 6'4". That's way up there, boy. But there we go. Thank you very much for watching the videos. You know, like, subscribe, share, all that sort of stuff. There's a lot of stuff coming back just as of when I can do it, as I've already said in previous videos. I'm hoping in the next 3 to 6 weeks these lockdown restrictions are going to be eased and I can start traveling around the UK and hopefully further afield when the time's right. But there's a lot of fresh stuff coming as well and some cool stuff coming. And you know what, might be a couple of revisits in there for good measure as well. But until next time, peace and love as always. Take care, stay safe. It's almost freezing. Till next time.